month of March was one of the most difficult months for all the automobile manufacturers. Even the two-wheeler industry saw a huge decline in terms of sales due to recent COVID pandemic. Government declared complete lockdown except for only essential services will be operational, and that affected automobile industry on a very large scale. Let's check the list of best-selling two-wheelers for the month of March 2020. 10th one on this list is the bike from TVS, that is TVS Apache. It sold 21,764 units in the month of March. 9th one we have the very popular Bullet, Royal Enfield Classic 350, which sold 24,253 units in the month of March. 8th one on this list is the gearless scooter from the house of Suzuki, that is Suzuki Axis, which sold 26,476 units in the month of March. 7th one on this list, after a very long time, this gearless scooter has entered in the best-selling two-wheelers list, that is Honda Dio, which sold 29,528 units in the month of March. 6th one is the moped from the house of TVS, that is TVS XL Super, which sold 32,808 units in the month of March. 5th one on this list, the bike from the house of Bajaj, that is Bajaj Pulsar, which sold 51,454 units in the month of March. 4th one on this list is the bike from Honda, Honda CB Shine, which sold 86,633 units in the month of March. 3rd one on this position is the very popular gearless scooter from the house of Honda. Yes, you guessed it right. That is Honda Activa, which sold 1,14,757 units in the month of March. 2nd one on this list is the bike from the house of Hero, that is Hero HF Deluxe, which sold 1,14,969 units in the month of March. And topping this list is the very economical bike and very popular in the country for over 2 decades, that is Hero Splendor, which again sold 1,43,726 units in the month of March. In March 2020, 2.63 lakh scooters, 5.7 lakh motorcycles and 32,000 mopeds were sold in India. Among this, top 20 two-wheelers contributed to a sale of 8,266 units versus overall two-wheeler sales of 8,66,849 units. Top 20 two-wheelers had 11 motorcycles, 8 scooters and 1 moped faring in this list. Hero Splendor and HF Deluxe motorcycles were able to overtake Honda's Activa. So guys, these are the numbers for the list of best-selling two-wheelers in the month of March. Do let us know in the comment section, will the scenario change in coming months or it will remain the same? And also, do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives.